Welcome to Adnan Latif Animations. Today I will show you how to convert your PNG images into 3D. Uh, what is a shortcut method to convert your images to 3D? So let's get started. So first step, we need to go to Photoshop and then next open my PNG image, and then next PNG image to select this magic tool and select a layer. Go to magic tool and magic wizard tool and then select my object of PNG object, and then next right click, go to make work path and then OK. No, this is no object with make work path, and then go to Windows path. I have I have complete path of object. Then go to file and next step, go to export path to Illustrator path file, and then next work path and click OK. Must be select work path, click OK. Now go to and save our file, change the say file name, change save file name, and then next OK. Now close this Photoshop application and go to the next step of open the Cinema 4D. Now Cinema 4D, I go to file and merge project. You also need to a new project, merge project and Illustrator AI file, then import and OK. No, 1 centimeter scale and then OK. Now I have a Illustrator file. You can see this is the same sketch of which I have imported from Illustrator. Now I have a path 1 and path 2. Now how can I make a 3D object? Now go to extrude and extrude object, and then next we did not find that, but what is the next? I have opened this thing and one by one go child parent to extrude. First you need to select, this is the no extrude, and what is the next? This is all. When I go to select the child, now z-axis we need to some reduce 1 centimeter, and now the sketch and the image completely converted into 3D model. I hope you understand how to do this. If you like my videos, share and subscribe my channel, and subscribe to channel for watching more 3D modeling, 3D animations videos. Please like and share Adnan Latif Animations. Thanks for watching.